In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a single-page landscape in Google Docs. If you are working on a document that includes a wide table, a large image, or content that just doesn't fit comfortably on a standard vertical page, switching only one page to landscape can make your layout much cleaner and easier to read. The good news is that Google Docs makes this pretty simple once you know exactly where to click. To begin, go to the page you want to change and highlight all of the content on that page. This can include text, images, charts, or tables, basically anything you want to keep together on the page that will become landscape. Make sure you select the full section carefully because Google Docs uses your selection to determine which part of the document should be affected. If you miss part of the content, the formatting may not apply the way you expect. Once everything on that page is highlighted, you should see the selected area appear in blue. After that, right-click directly on the highlighted area. It's important to click on the blue selection itself, not somewhere else on the page, so Google Docs knows you want to change the formatting for that selected content. A menu will appear. From that drop-down menu, choose Change Page to Landscape. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will automatically convert that selected page into landscape orientation while keeping the rest of your document in its original layout. This is especially useful when you want most of your document to stay in portrait mode, but need extra horizontal space for just one page. If the page doesn't look quite right away, give it a second and check the spacing. Sometimes large elements like tables or images may shift slightly after the page orientation changes, so it can help to quickly review the page and make sure everything still looks organized. That's all it takes to make a single-page landscape in Google Docs. Highlight the content on the page. Right-click the highlighted area and select Change Page to Landscape. It's a quick formatting trick that can make a big difference in how professional and readable your document looks.